Hi friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can see all sent follower requests in the Instagram app. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments after watching the video, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get into this topic with you. Open the Instagram app. Next, you need to go to your page. After that, in the top right corner, click on the three bars to go to Settings and Privacy. Next, go to Meta Account Center, click here. And then select your information and connection. Next, select Upload your information. Here, select, then select Upload. After which Instagram page. Next. Here, select the second option. In the next step, scroll down a little bit until you find a section called Connection. And across from it, click Select All. And next. Here, make sure that you have it worth downloading to your device. Click Next. And on this page, this is the last page. This is where you can select the date. If you click here, you can select the date, for what period of time you would like to see the information about you and respectively, the sent requests for followers. That is here for the entire time, vertebrae. Let's say if you have been using Instagram for more than 5 years, 6 years, 10, also 3 years, 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, a month and a week. Once you choose a time period like that, click Save. And create the file. And wait a couple seconds, you will be taken back to the page. Prepare this file from Instagram will not be long, literally a few minutes. At most it will be an hour. And in order to find it, you will also need to go to the top of your page after some time. Go to Settings. Then Meta Account Center, and then your information is resolved. Then save your information, and here you will have this file ready. When it is not ready, it looks like this. That is to say that your request is being processed. When it is ready, it looks like this. And there's Download or Delete. Please click Download. After that, you may need to keep your Instagram password. If not, then you'll get a page like this. It will open in Safari, in a browser of some sort. Then click Download. And then the information will be downloaded. Next, you'll need to go to the Files app on your iPhone. Here you will need to go to the Browse section. Next on my iPhone. Next is Downloaded. And you'll be able to see a file like this with information from Instagram. Click on it. Next. Now the connection. And here you will have information about followers. This is how you will be able to open any of these folders and look at when you subscribe to whom. This will be the date, the time, and also the username. This is the way, friends, you'll be able to see the sent requests for followers on Instagram. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you, friends. Please subscribe to the channel, write your comments, be sure to put likes, and see you soon.